But here's a quadrant, and we're going to walk through each of these four quadrants and give you an opportunity to think, where do you fall in these quadrants? And let's be honest, different times, different people, you may fall in different quadrants, but this is a moment for us to practice self-awareness. How are we showing up when we need to give feedback, whether it's positive or constructive or challenging?
Yeah. And so I'm going to get us started. And just to kind of orient you here, be sure that you notice up at the top in the middle where that arrow is pointing towards at the top. This is caring personally. And then over to the side, you see challenge directly. So I'm going to start out by kind of beginning with the end in mind. So we're going to talk about this idea of radical candor. So essentially what this means is that you both care personally about the other person while also being willing to challenge directly. Now, I think we would all agree this is the ideal, right? And this is where we're talking about offering clear and honest feedback while ultimately aiming to maintain trust and respect. And what happens when we approach these conversations with radical candor is we see strengthened relationships, we see growth happen, and it really helps to build that culture of accountability and support. And so this is really where we want to be. And so I want to present you with an example here. So as we go through this quadrant, we're going to give you some scenarios. And again, this might be where when you're with your team, you might present this. And so here's our first scenario.
And Whitney, I like to call this a pop quiz.
Okay.
We're giving y'all a pop quiz right now. Are you ready?
Ready, set, okay. So here's the scenario. The student misses multiple assignments. And so we're going to look at teacher to student. And so ultimately, I want you to think, what's the best response here? So I'm going to give you a second to take a look at these. So we've got a couple different options showing up.
I'm actually going to read them. When one of my last PDs, one of my favorite things is to have someone else to read this and do it in character. And so the amount of laughter and fun we have with these pop quizzes is just one of the highlights of this session. So number one, I've noticed you've missed a few assignments. I care about your success. Can we talk about what's going on and make a plan to get back on track? Number
Yep.
two, you clearly don't care about this class. Maybe school's just not your thing. Number three, you say absolutely nothing, then you drop a surprise zero like a plot twist in a reality reunion episode. Or fourth, life is hard. Life is hard. Let's just pretend it never happened. Those assignments never existed. Poof.
Okay, so those are our choices on our pop quiz. I think we would all agree the correct answer is option one. That's where we see radical candor show up. It's clear, it's kind, and it's got accountability